Hey, thanks again for coming to the Flying Squirrel channel. If you like the video that you're seeing and any of the other ones, just do a hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that bell and get notifications of any videos we got coming up in the future. Got plenty of them planned. I just got them all in production mode right now. So do your thing to help us grow this channel. It's all up to you guys. Thank you once again. Enjoy the video. Oh my God, you guys have got to see this drone. It is a crazy flying mod. Check it out. See on the other side of it. Hey guys, what'd you think of that? I have got to find a way to do that. That thing was awesome. We'll see you on the other side of the next one. Have a great one. While you're here checking out the channel, go ahead and hit that like for the video, subscribe, leave a comment, hit the bell, you know, and we'll definitely, write comments down. We'll definitely get back with you and check those out. All right, thanks again. We'll see you on the other side.